Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show y'all why it's important for you to look at your garden every single day. Let's get to it. My pumpkins are basically non-existent, so I'm going to take those out. These are doing well. These obviously probably have a borer in there somewhere. My corns are huge. There's really no problems here other than this. It's kind of a mess. All of my pollen is probably wet, so I'm gonna have to carefully self-pollinate all of this, but you can see nature helped me out a little bit. But just to ensure I get my kernels nice and full, I'm gonna do it myself. It's kind of cool. I've never really paid attention to how the pollen falls and stuff. Nice. Okay, moving on. These get nice and full. We're gonna have to harvest these and hope they're good. Whoa, it's a mess. We're gonna take care of that today too. Okay, this bed is good, but this isn't what I'm talking about. So you got a little bit of diseases right here on my beef steaks, but at least the rain has them looking very beefy. Cover those back up. But it's been really windy, so and they've been growing like crazy because of the rain, and I haven't been able to come out here and hook these up, so everything is leaning over. It's grown so much. Look, this one completely bent over, so I'm gonna try to save this. I'm gonna take these pumpkins out because obviously there's stuff in them and I just don't want them to attract more to my garden. So I'm just gonna take all of the pumpkins out and start over. Luckily I started them soon, so I still have time. I think this June is the last month I can direct sow for them to be here in time for Halloween. So let's do some tidying up. All of it. Okay. Okay, now we can get a little sum done. If I can get through. Okay, excuse me. We're gonna, first thing first, stand this poor thing up. Oi. I'm so glad it didn't break. I keep forgetting my pruners. Making my way down garden. Plants passing. Veggies thriving. Do. Oh yeah, okay, I forgot what I was doing for a minute. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna save this string for another one and just use this big old pole for this one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use a string for a sucker and the pole for another vine. Just a little bit. some security. Here, that it's recommended to put one of these every 4 inches. So eyeball it. Okay, and this one. So you can come right here. Okay, much better. Now let's put down some mulch. I should have brought my knee pads. Knee pads, check. My thighs a little too thickums. I barely grab on. Okay, I'm gonna kind of just, because it's been raining and I don't practice what I preach, the rain compacts the soil, and bulbs need loose soil. But luckily, oh, whoops. I can just do that. I don't know where this came from. We're gonna go ahead and plop that right in there. Just like that. Okay. This is why you're supposed to do it before, because then you gotta be real careful. Shit. It takes longer, so lesson I learned. Last year I did mulch. I feel like I was more careful last year, but I didn't have as many successes as I have this time around. But we live and we learn. I'll take out anything that's big like this. Now I'm gonna upsize this Brandywine's pot, and then maybe I should give the Brandywine that one and then give these two the big one. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Why is there a spider web on there? Hell no. You can live spider, but just not here. Oh, look, this is how I fill up my grow bags. Because in this economy, yeah. I can't believe I made this out of grass and leaves. So cool. Never thought I'd be able to do that. But apparently I did. because we're nerve-wracking. I'm glad I realized that I can put 2 tomatoes in one grow bag, because when I first started last year, I only got huge grow bags. I really didn't have like small ones, and I was a little scared. So I don't know if this would work or not, but most of them have 2 or 3 because they're all like 25 to 30 gallon grow bags. Sure what this channel was gonna be, but at this point I feel like I'm just gonna like put stuff that I can't find. The majority of it is because I seriously, like, there's a lot of things that I cannot find answers to. So I'm gonna try to figure it out and help other people that also need the same answers. Just have the same questions. I don't know if we'll always have answers, but I'll do what I can to figure it out for me and for you all. Okay. Let's go ahead and prune off anything that has been damaged. This is a sucker. I'm gonna pull those tomorrow because I want to propagate some of these for a plant sale I'm having. Oh no. Oh, I got a 1 stemmer and a 2. Cool. Experiment without even knowing. If I'm talking loads because my neighbors are in their backyard and I'm shy. Oh no. Okay, there it goes. Oh, look, see, I'm finding things I lost. Oh. Y'all want to try one of my cucumbers?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, hold on. Let me grab some. Y'all want me to open my gate? Hold on, let me go open it real quick.